In this video, I'm going to show you how to add blood pressure to Samsung Health. First of all, open the Samsung Health app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, scroll down until you find the blood pressure section. Tap on it. Here, tap on Enter Data at the bottom of your screen. Before entering any data, tap on the date at the top of your screen and select the date and time when the blood pressure was measured. This ensures that your data is recorded accurately. Next, enter your systolic and diastolic values. The systolic value is the higher number, and the diastolic value is the lower number. After that, you can also enter your pulse rate. Samsung Health also allows you to record whether you took any medication at the time of the reading. If you have any personal notes or additional information related to the reading, you can add them in the Notes section. Once you've filled out all the details, tap on Save at the bottom of the screen to store the data. The reading will now be added to your blood pressure records. If you want to add more readings, you can repeat the same process. Simply tap on Enter Data, select the date and time, and enter the values. After that, tap on Save again. To see your trends over time, tap on the chart icon at the top of the screen. Here you can view your blood pressure trends over 7 days, 1 month, or 1 year. This helps you monitor patterns and changes in your blood pressure over time. And that's how you can add blood pressure to Samsung Health.